Starting a custom apparel business has never been easier, but building one that actually lasts, that takes more than just a good idea. It takes a good initial investment. Hey everyone, it's Vince from Stahls. More than 1 in 5 new businesses close within their first year, and nearly half close within the first 5 years. And one of the biggest reasons for the failure is because the business owners made the wrong initial investment in equipment. If you go too cheap, you're going to fight inconsistent results, wasted transfers, rejected garments, and the equipment, you're going to outgrow it almost immediately. But if you invest too much, you can tie up thousands, sometimes even tens of thousands of dollars in the hole before you've even built a customer base to support it. So that space in between is where the Hotronix Max 250 line was designed to fill. Made in America, built for business, and priced to help you start and grow your apparel decoration business. This is the Max 250 heat press line from Hotronix, a professional American-made heat press line created to give new decorators, growing shops, event printers, and established businesses a smarter way to start, scale, and expand. And in 2026, the Max 250 has an even bigger story. It was created this year to celebrate America's 250th birthday, honoring 250 years of American craftsmanship, American business, and the entrepreneurial spirit that continues to drive small businesses across the country. Every Max 250 press is manufactured in the United States of America at the Hotronix facility in Carmichael, Pennsylvania. That means you're not just investing in a heat press, you're investing in American manufacturing, Hotronix reliability, and a machine built for people who are serious about building something on their own. Now let's talk about why this press matters, especially if you're starting or growing a custom apparel business. Because when you're just getting into the apparel decoration industry, there's a lot of different directions you can go. You can go into screen printing, you can take a look at DTG, you can look into buying your own DTF printer, which has been very common in the last couple years. You can look at embroidery, sublimation, vinyl cutting. There's so many different ways that you can go. Every option has a place, but not every option makes sense as your first major investment into equipment. Let's look at screen printing, for example. A basic screen printing setup can quickly climb into the thousands once you factor in the press, the screens, the exposure unit, the flash dryer, conveyor dryer, inks, chemicals, washout area, and not to mention the space that you need to operate it all. DTG printing can produce great results, but the printer investment, pre-treatment process, maintenance, ink cost, and learning curve, that is a lot for a startup. DTF printing, you probably know about it. It's one of the fastest growing decoration methods in the industry. But owning a DTF printer is not the same thing as simply printing DTF. To own a DTF printer setup, it involves buying the printer, shaker, curing system, RIP software, film, powder, ink, maintenance, supplies, ventilation, and daily upkeep. For many new apparel businesses, that's more machine, more maintenance, and more upfront investment that you really need to do on day one. You could say yes to more jobs, more colors, more designs, and more garment types while keeping your footprint and investment much smaller. And that is where the Max 250 line really makes sense, because it gives you one powerful production tool that unlocks multiple decoration methods. With the right transfers and materials, a Max 250 can help you decorate with heat transfer vinyl, DTF transfers, screen printed transfers, emblems and patches giving you embroidery capabilities, names, numbers, twill, and more. So now you can produce custom t-shirts, hoodies, uniforms, spirit wear, workwear, bags, team apparel, event merch, and hats, all with one machine. That's the power you get from heat printing, and that's why it is so important to invest in the right heat press, because your press is not just another piece of equipment. It's going to be the driving tool that determines whether your transfers apply correctly, whether your pressure is consistent, whether your temperature is accurate, and whether your finished products are going to hold up for your customer. Time, temperature, and pressure are the foundation of heat printing. If any one of those variables is unreliable, your results are going to be unreliable. That's where a professional heat press separates itself from a craft press or a low-cost import. A craft press can be great for hobby projects, gifts, or occasional personal use. But when you want to start selling products to make money, the expectation is going to start changing. You need repeatability. You need pressure that you can control. You need a platen size that fits real production. You need consistent heat across the platen. You need a machine that can handle job after job without becoming the weak link in your business. And that's where many lower grade craft presses and cheap imports start to show their limitations. They may look like a bargain up front, but if the heat is uneven, if the pressure is inconsistent, if the frame flexes, if the machine can't maintain temperature press after press, or if support and replacement parts are difficult to get because they're not domestic, that low price can become expensive very fast. One ruined garment may not seem like much, but a batch of failed shirts, peeling transfers, customer complaints, reprints, wasted blanks, and missed deadlines are going to cost you a whole lot more than the difference between getting a cheap heat press and getting a professional heat press. So the question is, when should you upgrade? If you're only making a few shirts yourself for friends, family, then maybe a cheap craft press may be enough. But if you're taking paid orders, that's when it's time to stop thinking about how to be as cheap as possible. It's time to start thinking like a business owner and what decision will help my business the most. And a business needs equipment that can support consistent results. The Max 250 gives decorators a professional Hottronics option, which is one of the most trusted brands in the industry, used by thousands of professional decorators and pro sports teams at an accessible price point. It's made in the United States of America. It features digital time and temperature controls that are simple and easy to use. It uses a durable steel construction. It has a pressure adjustment for consistent application, a wide opening for easier layout, and a smooth, easy open and close. You don't have to hit the gym to be able to operate this press. And it's backed by a lifetime warranty on the heating element. This is not a disposable product. This is a real production tool priced to help decorators get started the right way. The Max 250 line is available in multiple models, so you can choose the press that fits your space, your products, and your business goals. The 11x15 is a great choice when you want a smaller footprint with serious performance. It's ideal for tight workspaces, mobile setups because it's a little lighter and more portable, home-based businesses, or decorators who need a dependable press without taking up a lot of room. The 15x15 is a strong all-around option for startups and growing shops because it gives you a versatile size for everyday decoration, and it's a great fit for t-shirts, smaller hoodies, bags, and general custom work. But the 16x20 is the everyday production workhorse and the one I recommend the most. If you're pressing larger graphics, hoodies, jerseys, oversized transfers, which are a big trend right now, or higher volume jobs, the larger platen gives you more room to work and more flexibility as your business grows. Not to mention, it's compatible with all the Hottronics accessories, including the stands to make it fully threadable and the quick change platens. And then there's the Max 250 cap press. Headwear is a major opportunity for decorators. Custom hats are popular with businesses, teams, events, schools, brands, and local organizations. The Max 250 cap gives you a compact, professional way to add hat decoration to your lineup. Just like with the flat Max 250 press, the Max 250 cap has digital time and temperature that are controlled with the 3-button interface, very easy to use. It also allows you to adjust the pressure from underneath, and you can even interchange the platens as well. In addition to printing quality caps, you can also print things like sleeves and neck tags with the Max 250 cap as well. So whether you're focused on flat goods, headwear, or both, the Max 250 line lets you build the setup that fits your business. With a professional heat press, you order your transfers on demand and your workflow stays simple. Order or create the transfer, set your time and temperature, adjust your pressure, load the garment, pre-press, position the transfer, press, peel, and then move on to the next order. That is the process every single time. That simplicity is powerful. The Max 250 helps you deliver on time and make sure every finished garment represents your business well. And that's why the heat press you choose matters so much. It is the center, it is the core of your production. This is not just for startups either. It's a great option for established shops that need a backup press, a dedicated station, a portable event press like an 11x15 would be great to take to events, or a cost-effective way to increase your production. And because you get the Hotronix nameplate, you know you're getting more than a piece of equipment. You're getting the domestic support, reliability, and the confidence that comes from working with a brand decorators have trusted for years. Made in America, built for business, priced to help decorators grow. The Hotronix Max 250 line celebrates 250 years of American craftsmanship by helping power the next generation of American entrepreneurs. So whether you're buying your first professional heat press, upgrading from a craft press, replacing a cheap import, adding a backup machine, expanding into larger prints, or bringing headwear into your lineup, there's a Max 250 built for your next move. Choose your size, choose your opportunity, and start building with Hotronix.